Hey, hi. So I'm going to show you how you can change the ear cushions on Bose QC35-2. This is what happened after close to 1.5 to 2 years, and so you need to, after a certain period of time, you need to replace these. You can order it from Amazon. There are a couple of choices. You can also order the original ones from Bose website, or else you have a good number of options on Amazon as well, so you can order them. And now I'm going to show you how you can change this set of ear cushions on Bose QC35-2s. So these are the headphones, as you can see. And so what you need to do is, on the old ones, you need to actually hold the part from, from the sides. Just hold one from the inside and one from the outside, and you need to start applying some force, and you need to hold this plastic rim that we have here. So you can hold the plastic rim, and it has latches overall. So you have around 8 to 10 latches, and you have to knock this off of all of those. So you can hold this plastic part, and you can just apply some pressure, and then you can get this off like this. So as you can see, I'll show it to you. See, these are the actual latches, which actually hold this thing. So this is cushioned, plus this is also solid. So this is plastic rim with some cushion on it, right? So you have, while you are removing it, you have to also take care of it, hold this part as well. So this is the actually plastic hard part. You have to hold this and then apply pressure, and then take it out. So same thing you have to do with the another one, right? So and then you have these, right? So now you have the option of, you can either change these, or you can keep these ones. I suggest you to change these, since over time, perhaps see, these are kind of dirty as well. So I recommend you to change these as well. So this is very easy. You can just peel this off. So what you can do is, you can start peeling this off. It has glue on two of the sides, so one is on this side and one is on the other side. So you can peel this off, right? So as you can see, this glue on these two sides, right? This one sticks here and the another one on this strip. So you can do this on both of these, right? And now you have to clean this part, right? Because otherwise you won't be able to stick the new one. So you have to clean these both parts, and then after that, just make sure that you place the right one on the right one and the left on the left one. Otherwise you'll have to take it apart and then do it again. So let me clean this up, and then we'll be back, and then we'll be actually pasting the new ones. Yeah, so actually this will take some time, because we have to clean the glue off of the ones that we have taken out. So this is one part, and this is fine, and this is the another part. This is, as you can see, this is one part and this is the another one. So if you take this out, and after that, these new ones, you have these two sides pre applied double-sided tape is already there, so you need to place. So the right one is this one, so make sure you actually remember to where we have this button. This is the right one, so you have to actually to place it like this, and the left one you have to place it like this, and you have to stick it like this. And after that, once this is done, uh, then you have to start go then you have to start again and apply this one. So this is again, remember, this is the hard part, the one with the plastic rim, and you have to align it and put it under these hooks that we have throughout this rim, right? So you need to go slowly, and then it will make a click sound. Okay, so and this is how you will actually apply the new ones here. So I'm going to do that off cam, since this is my first time I'm doing it. I'm not really sure, this will take some time, but yeah, I mean, this is how you can take it apart and then put it back. So two mistakes that people do is, one is you have to take care that you are actually putting the right one in the right side, point one. The another thing is, while you are taking this apart and you are actually putting this back in, you have to hold this plastic rim, and then you have to latch it on the corners hooks that we are having. So yeah, so this would be it. I'll catch you up later with some next video. Thank you.